Rick, Vicki, the Brandeis Award is the law school's highest honor, and the dean said Justice Sotomayor was more than deserving. The dean and Justice Sotomayor spoke in front of a crowd at the Marriott Hotel about the justice's childhood, law background, and her passion for helping others. And while we weren't able to record that interview, we did get to listen in on the conversation and watch Sotomayor as she was honored.
She is a fierce defender of liberty. Her brilliant mind is matched by unwavering kindness and an ability to connect with people.
Those were just a few words which were used on Wednesday night to describe Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor. She was presented the Brandeis Medal by the U of L Brandeis School of Law, the school's highest honor. Recipients are chosen for their devotion to economic, social, or political justice, and for advancing public service in the legal profession.
Justice Brandeis was known as the people's lawyer, and Justice Sonia Sotomayor is very much the people's justice. She is absolutely committed to liberty. She is committed to justice in all of its forms.
Sotomayor served as Assistant District Attorney in the New York County District Attorney's Office and eventually became partner at a law firm. In 1991, President George Bush nominated her to the U.S. District Court, Southern District of New York. And in 1997, President Bill Clinton nominated her to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. President Barack Obama nominated her as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court in 2009, becoming the third woman and first Latina to serve on the Supreme Court. People who attended say they were inspired by Sotomayor's upbringing and her commitment to finding commonality amongst us all.
Inspired to think about finding the good in everybody, even if I don't happen to like their point of view.
She's the 7th Supreme Court justice to be honored with the medal.
The Brandeis Medal is carrying on the legacy of Justice Brandeis. So continuing to award the medal and to honor his legacy is very meaningful for the law school and, of course, for the university as a whole.
And the last recipient of the Brandeis Medal was Sherilyn Ifill in 2023. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Jamie Mays, WLKY News.